going on YouTube? This video has been long overdue. It's about time I review round one. Round one. Now I see why they changed the labels. So it's easier for people to do a review. But yeah, this is round one. Pepper distillate. What does that mean for you guys that don't know? That means this is going to be hot. This is going to be spicy. So, man, I've already opened it, as you can tell. But I have not replaced any of it, but I really don't care what anyone thinks, because I'm not going to water this down. Heck, I've been putting this into some hot sauce. One drop, man. It'll do you. A dab will do you. That's what they say. Forgive my hair. I don't care. But yeah, let me shake this up. I'm checking out the alcohol. You know, they say the more pure the alcohol is, less bubbles. Something like that. Yeah. I'm only going to do 1-2 drops, because this is going to light me up. You see my eyes? They look alright. But not for long, eh? It burns immediately. Oh shit. Oh shit. It doesn't matter if you swallow that, because the burn's still going to be there. And there goes my ears. My ears are ringing. Holy crap. I'm not a chili head. My ears feel like it's really got... Oh, I can't even talk. It'll burn more. There's more in the back of my tongue. I swished it around. You guys saw that. Hey, Johnny. Hey. Nice. Oh, what's my heat rating at? It's actually kind of going down. Just like these teardrops. Oh, my eyes turning red. They are. Sorry about the lighting. I don't have any expensive gear. Holy crap. But yeah. It's really spicy. That's for sure. So if any of you guys... I need to blow my nose so bad. Oh my god. Shit, son. Okay, the endorphins are kicking in, so it's starting not to burn so bad. Still burns though. In my ears. Round 1, huh? I can't wait for round 2. Already, eh? Ah. Nice. Nice. Can't wait to try round 2. Oh, the flavor. It's got some of that habanero. Carolina Reaper, Moruga Scorpion, and habanero. Well, the pain's going down until I start talking again. Then it comes back when I breathe out. That's fire. Feel the burn, baby. Make that rush come in. Legal high. You want to get high legally. Feel that pain, suffer through it. You'll get a rush. That's why us people like hot stuff. But this stuff, that's hot. Ooh. My sincere apologies for this bad editing, but it's probably too late for you guys to get a limited edition, Chase the Heat. Dang, my editing is terrible. Number 36 of 50. Man, can you read that? Now you can. My camera won't focus. I'm still on Android. Sorry. But yeah, if you want something hot, you want something spicy, you think jalapenos are okay, spice-wise, round 1, distillate. Catch it at deathnuts.com. And if you want to see a guy that eats peppers like they're nothing, even drinks stuff like this, check out Chase the Heat channel. You're welcome. I feel it in my stomach now. But yeah, man. Woo-wee. So if you're from the chili community, you don't have to subscribe. You don't have to subscribe. I don't do this stuff often, so no need. But if you want to, you could leave a like and a comment. Tell me if you tried it or not, what you thought about it. And you see, obviously, that's my car behind me. This is what this channel is mainly about, and I barely post. But you want to see something cool? I'm going to add a clip. Flamethrower. I'm about to put 2 turbos on this thing again. 5.8 liter engine. Yeah. So cool, eh? And that's only one, and you only seen a portion of the clip. You see how high that roof is? The flames were coming from the engine, touching the roof. I had to quickly shut it off. So if I do this again, flamethrower, it's going outside, and it's going to have 2 turbos on. So that's what this channel is about. I just wanted to put my video out there and my thoughts of round one. Pepper distillate. Spicy for sure. I'm at about a 3 right now on a pain scale. Tolerable, but it's there. The ears are still, you know. But yeah, anyway, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed at least a little bit. Let you know what you have to look out for if you want something spicy. 1 drop, you'll feel it. Or 3, whatever you want to do. Or drink the whole thing. You'll regret it later. So, hope you're having a better time than I am. Alright. Peace out. Oh shit.